Hi everyone, hi Amores. I'm back. I'm here to show you my fall decor for the season. Okay, listen up. Hi YouTube, hi everyone. I'm Annette Morris. I'm here to bring to you my fall clean with me and fall decorating. Okay, I'll be putting together my colors, whether it be burgundy orange or burnt orange, and also my teal. And these are some of the things, my colors I'll be using in my fall. Come over there and I'll see you there. Okay, let's go. This is my orange that I'm using. I'm using this burnt orange and teal. And you'll be seeing me remove a lot of things that you saw already previously in my videos. And I'll be putting together something different with my wall decor and everything, and changing this corner over here, changing that out. These are some of the stands I picked up at Dollar Tree, and I'll be using it on this table. And you've seen these pictures here before. All I'm doing is rotating my paintings and putting them up according to season. And these are some of the items I'll still be putting up, some of the items I'll be putting up that you've probably seen before. This is a blanket that I picked up at Target for $5, and you'll be seeing how I use that in my decor. And this is one of my DIYs, still using the colors. Okay, I'm going through and swapping out all these, and then I'm going to bring back a lot of these that you see here, and items that you didn't see. My chairs I brought from my studio, my art studio, which I had to close down because due to COVID. And then everything here is just what I'm kind of mapping out exactly how I'm going to put things, lay things out. And this is one of my console tables. I decided to put in front of the window, leave it there in front of the window. So I usually switch out my pillows for the season. And if you follow me here on my channel, you know my living room, I have this section on here that I can change around various ways. And I've been having that for some time. This here is a blanket I picked up at Target. And these are my pumpkins that I have, my various pumpkins. These leather pumpkins I picked up at Joann Fabric. And this is a thrifty find I found. And you'll see how I use that in my decor. I'm changing everything out over here under this table here. Console table. And I'll be pulling everything out and changing things there, making it more seasonal. Now, Michael had a great sale on the flowers and greeneries, and I took full advantage of that. Saw a lot of flowers that I had been wanting, I had my eye on for the season. I was surprised to see so many seasonal flowers on sale so soon, so I had to just pick up everything I thought would bring any decor. My living room table, my dining room, and also in my kitchen. So I'll be using these throughout for the season. And I also was able to find a great bargain at Hobby Lobby. This Ember Vase here that I found years ago, and it was a thrifty find, and I decided to pull it out and use it. And I found these pumpkin picks that I really like, but I was able to get it for half price. And I may use it in that vase, and I may not. And I found this also that I like at Hobby Lobby. So I'm going to be trying to do a flower arrangement with that, an autumn, fall arrangement with that, and see how it work out. Now, in this part of the video, I'm giving you a close-up of items in my living room that I'll be working with to decorate with for the fall. And I'm just giving you a close up of everything. Those pillows are from the at home store, and my teal bowls here are from Thrifty Finds. And this is how I'm bringing everything together. And this is my console table up front. You see my display. I just put everything together here. The basket there with my travel necklace in it, there's from Pier 1 or World Market I got the basket from. But my necklace right there was actually made for me by a coworker. And I just want to say thank you, Karen. I still have it. I still love it. Now, on top of the fireplace is these lanterns that I picked up at Michael's some time ago, maybe a month or so ago. And then that vase there was my thrifty find. You may have seen that before. And this is how everything is laid out. That's what I did with my thrift find there. It's like a book holder, magazine holder that I'm using as to hold my fireplace logs. And then my colors as far as my pillows. That sequin pillow I picked up at home. The throw there is a DIY, and my pictures are DIY, and you've seen this my decor here that I put together for the summer months. That I'm going to probably move from over there. This is a close up of everything. This is my fall decor, and I have about two more things that I have to put up. I have to hang my curtains, and I have a DIY pillow that I'm working on. These are some DIYs I put together. And these are just close up of everything. I didn't show you my lamp, so this is my lamp that I put up. I changed for the season, and then everything that you probably didn't get a chance to see as a close up. I don't think I remember mentioning my basket. This is one I had some time from Pier 1. And I purchased these leather pumpkins from Joy and Fabric last year. So you see me flip that throw because it's reversible, and hang the pictures over on the sectional here, the sectional. My DIY pumpkin pillow that I'm putting together, and then hang my burnt orange curtains. So I'm not completely done. I'm gonna do a couple more make a couple more changes, hang the pictures, change the curtains, and I'll be right back. And I have to also do a couple more touches I want to do before I feel like this room is complete. Okay, so taking those curtains down, I'll be changing the curtains. I think I'm gonna leave the ones in the middle. And then I have some flowers here the dry flowers that I like more than what I showed you earlier with the silk flowers. The vase, I decided to leave it just like it is, with no flowers in it. But I think I might change that table up just a little bit more. And now you see what I did. I changed these curtains here. Not only are these curtains my burnt orange, but they also give me the look that I'm looking for the fall with my fall colors. So it worked out just fine. If you're not a part of my channel, take the time to subscribe down below, like, and share. And I really think the curtains brought out the ambiance I needed in my living room. And I decided to add my caramel pecan candle that I picked up at Target. And this is the final look. And here's a close-up. Okay, so right now I'm just going to give you an overview of everything in the room and in my living room. Right here, I'll get back to the blanket and it over there, but right here are my two chairs, and I picked those up years ago at an antique shop. They're always been at my studios, and I had to close my studio down, like I told you earlier. And then the lanterns here that I put together, these here on the fireplace, are from Michael's. I got those a couple months back. We have the DIY wall hanging, and then my mirrors, that's a DIY. My burnt orange curtains is a fabric that I purchased at Joann Fabric, and I made into curtains. It's a velveteen burnt orange curtains. I'll be changing that large basket, floor basket. The plates display on the console table and my lamp, those are all 55s. My pillows are from At Home Store and Ross. My orange throw that I did earlier in the video, I had it just on the reverse side. This is the other side of that throw. That's my DIY I put together. And my pillow here, that's a DIY pillow that I just put together. I'll give you a close-up of all this in a few. My rug is from Walmart. Now this blanket is from Target, and I just made those boho tassels. And this is an overview of everything. Oh, the vase there, that's a thrifty find. My basket, my floor basket over there, from Pier 1. My houses here are from World Market. I don't know if I mentioned it, that vase right there, the amber color vase is from a thrifty find. Here's a DIY that I did. And this is a close-up of my throw that I put together. Reversible throw. To complete this video, I've been working in parts, doing a little here and a little there. And then also kind of late with hanging the pictures up and everything and changing the curtains. But all with that all said and done, I still made changes toward the end. With my DIYs for this throw blanket here and my pillow, I'm going to come back and then I'll give you the final look with that. I hope you enjoy watching me pull my colors together for the fall season, and I hope you will come back and join me for more videos to come. The mixing of my burnt orange and teal colors for my living room gave me the look that I want for this fall season. Yes, I have more DIYs and decoration for the upcoming seasons. Here's another overview of everything. I want to thank you for coming, and I'll see you next time. Be safe and be blessed. Thank you, Amores.